It's Friday, October 28th. I'm at the scene of the Mill Street Bridge, which the mayor had made an announcement that bridge repairs could possibly take place starting October 17th, and here it is 12 days later, no repair. There has been, apparently DigSafe has been here and marked up where construction can start. But the Mill Street Bridge is still blocked by giant cement blocks. Area residents have been calling the paper to inquire why construction hasn't started yet. Rescue personnel have had to detour away from this area, as well as school buses, trucks, and residents who live here. Both sides have been caved in. The middle shows signs of buckling, but the absolute worst is this, the west side of the bridge. And it's been like this since March of 2010. It's really a beautiful area.